Assalomu alaykum do'stlar, siz English Clubhouse kanalidasiz. Bugun sizlar bilan The Little Prince, ya'ni Kichkina shahzoda asarimizni tarjima qilishni davom ettiramiz. Bu ikkinchi qism bo'ladi. O'tgan safargi videoda sizlar bilan 1-betdan 8-betgacha tarjima qilib, birgalikda o'qib, reading o'qish qobiliyatimizni rivojlantirgan edik. Umid qilamanki, o'tgan safargi video sizga foydali bo'ldi va bu videoda ham xuddi shunday birgalikda o'qiymiz va birgalikda so'zma-so'z tarjima qilib ketamiz va bu video oxirida hop bu hozirgacha tarjima qilgan so'zlarimiz yoki iboralarimiz, ularni misol o'zbekcha tarjimalari bilan va ishlatilishi bilan birgalikda qayerdan hammasini bitta faylda olishingizni aytib o'taman. Videoni oxirigacha ko'ring va izohlarda o'z fikringizni yozib qoldiring va like bosishni esdan chiqarmang. Bo'lmasa ketdik, birgalikda oldin ingliz tilida o'qib olamiz. But it was rejected too, just like the others. This one is too old. I want a ship that will live a long time. By this time, my patience was exhausted because I was in a hurry to start taking my engine apart. So I tossed off this drawing and I threw out an explanation with it. This is only his box. The ship you asked for is inside. I was very surprised to see a light break over the face of my young judge. That is exactly the way I wanted it. Do you think that this ship will have to have a great deal of grass? Why? Because where I live, everything is very small. There will surely be enough grass for him, I said. It is a very small ship that I have given you. He bent his head over the drawing. Not so small that, look, he has gone to sleep. And that is how I made the acquaintance of the little prince. Birgalikda o'qib oldik, endi so'zma-so'z tarjima qilamiz. Hop, avvaldan aytib o'tishim kerak, agarda siz bu videoni birinchi qismini ko'rmagan bo'lsangiz, pauza qilib, albatta birinchi qismini ko'rib olishingizni maslahat beraman, chunki bu butun boshli bitta hikoya bo'lgani uchun voqealar rivoji qanday ketma-ketlikda ketyapti, shuni bilib, yana qiziqarliroq bo'lishi uchun video birinchi qismni avval ko'rib olishni maslahat beraman. Bo'lmasa ketdik. But lekin it was rejected. It was rejected to. Bu yoqda passive voice ishlatilyapti, ya'ni u rad etildi. U rad etdi emasdir, u rad etildi. Nima rad etildi? Rasm haqida gap ketyapti. Reject degani rad etish degani. It was rejected to. To gapning oxirida kelsa ham deb tarjima qiladi. Misol uchun I'm happy to. Men ham baxtliman. Just like the others. Just like degani kabi degani. Just like xuddi kabi. The others. Other degani boshqa, boshqalari. Others. Just like the others. Boshqalari kabi u ham rad etildi. This one degani bunisi degani. Ya'ni bunisi deb rasm haqida gap ketyapti. Is too old. Juda ham old qari. Ya'ni bu juda ham qari. I want a ship. Men xohlayman. Qo'y that qaysi will live. Yashaydigan. Live yashamoq. A long time degan uzoq vaqt. Ya'ni aytyapti. Bunisi juda ham qari. Men uzoq vaqt yashaydigan qo'y xohlayman. By this time degani bu paytgacha degani. My patience sabr. Mening sabrim exhausted degani very tired, ya'ni juda charchagan degani. Endi bu yoqda charchagan demaylik, ya'ni sabri to'lmoq, sabr-kosasi to'lmoq ma'nosida ishlatilyapti. Mani sabrim exhausted, ya'ni charchagan, to'lgan edi, tugagan edi. Chunki I was in a hurry. Men shoshilayotgan edim. To start. Hop, be in a hurry degan ibora bor ingliz tilida, ya'ni nimadir narsaga shoshilish. I was in a hurry. Men shoshilayotgan edim. Nima qilishga? To start, boshlashga. Taking my engine apart. Engine degani motor. Take apart degani bu bitta ibora. Take apart degani qismlarga ajratish. Men samolyotimni motorini qismlarga ajratishni boshlashga shoshilayotgan edim. So, shuning uchun I tossed off. Toss off degani nimadir narsani tezlik bilan bajarish, ya'ni qo'l uchida tez bajarib tashlash, qo'l uchida ish bajarish degani xullas. I tossed off this drawing. Bu rasmni chizib tashladim, ya'ni qo'l uchida chizib tashlabdi. This one, ya'ni bu rasmni chizibdi. Keyingisi and va I threw out an explanation with it. Threw out degani throw, ya'ni otmoq degan so'zdan olingan. Throw out degani nimadir narsani tezlik bilan berish, ya'ni tezlik bilan berib nimadir qilish, ya'ni I threw out, ya'ni men explanation degani tushuntirish, with it, ya'ni with it degani u bilan birga, ya'ni u bilan birga tezlik bilan nima qildi? Threw out, ya'ni explanation, tushuntirish berdi, ya'ni rasmni chizib bola hech narsa demasidan oldin tezlik bilan threw out an explanation u bilan birgalikda tushuntirish beribdi. This is only his box. Bu faqat his box, uning qutisi. The sheep, qo'y, you asked for, qaysiki sen so'ragan, asked for, ask so'ramoq so'zi for bilan birga keladi. Sen so'ragan qo'y is inside, ichida, ya'ni o'sha qutini ichida deyapti. I was, men edim, very surprised, juda ham surprised, hayron qolish, surprised. I was very surprised, men juda hayron qolgan edim, to see, ko'rishdan. A light break over the face. Light break over the face degani bu o'zbek tilida yuzi yorishib ketish degan iboraga to'g'ri keladi. A light break over the face. Ya'ni men ko'rishdan hayron qoldim, yuzi yorishib ketganini. Kimni? My young judge. Young, yosh degani, judge, hakam, sudya degani. Ya'ni bu yoqda hakam deb bolachani aytyapti, chunki u rasm chizganida doim unga izoh berayotgan edi birdaniga, o'shanga nisbatan aytyapti. Ya'ni men kichkina hakamimni yuzida yuzi yorishib ketganini ko'rishdan juda ham hayron qolgan edim. I was very surprised to see a light break over the face of my young judge. That is exactly degan aynan. Bu aynan the way, yo'lida, usulida, the way I wanted it. Bu aynan men xohlaganim kabi, men xohlagan usulda. Want xohlamoq. Men ayni xohlagandek bo'libdi deyapti bola. Do you think, seningcha, that this sheep, bu qo'y, will have to degani kerak degani. Endi bu yoqda have yemoq ma'nosida kelyapti. Xuddi have breakfast, have lunch, have dinner so'zlariga o'xshab. Ya'ni seningcha bu qo'y yeydimi? So'rayapti. Chunki seningcha bu qo'y yeydimi? A great deal degani ko'p degani. A great deal of bilan birga keladi. A great deal of something, nimadirni ko'p, ya'ni ko'p grass degani maysa, o't. Ya'ni seningcha bu qo'y ko'p maysa yeydimi? Why? Nima uchun? Chunki where I live, where, ya'ni shunaqa so'roq so'zlar oxirida so'roq belgisi bilan tugamagan gaplarda ishlatilsa, ki qo'shimchasini oladi. Where, qayerdaki, I live, men yashaydigan joyda, everything, hamma narsa, is very small, juda ham kichkina. There will be, endi there will be degani bo'ladi degani. Surely, aniq bo'ladi, enough yetarlicha bo'ladi. Nima bo'ladi? Grass, maysa bo'ladi. For him, u uchun aniq yetarlicha maysa bo'ladi. I said, men dedim. It's a very small sheep. Bu juda ham kichkina qo'y. That, qaysiki, I have given you, men senga bergan. Men senga bergan qo'y juda ham kichkina. Unga ko'p, ya'ni unga yetarlicha maysa bo'ladi demoqchi. He bent his head over the drawing. Bend degani egish degani, ya'ni u egdi, his head, egdi, boshini egdi, over, ya'ni ustiga egibdi, ya'ni engashibdi, nima turga, the drawing, rasm, ya'ni u rasmga engashibdi. Not so small, unchalik kichkina emas. So degani very ma'nosida deyapti. Not so small, unchalik kichkina emas. Look, qara. He has gone to sleep, ya'ni go to sleep degani uxlash, uyquga yotish. U uyquga yotibdi, ya'ni u uxlayapti. And that is how, va bu qanday qilib, that is how degani bu qanday qilib, that is how I made, bu yoqda endi bitta ibora kelyapti. Make the acquaintance. Make acquaintance degani tanishib qolish, tanish bo'lib qolish degani. Va bu qanday qilib meni tanishib qolganim kim bilan? Little Prince, kichkina shahzoda bilan meni bu qanday qilib tanishib qolganim. Okay, keyingi betga o'tamiz. Hop, 9-bet. Birgalikda o'qiymiz. Bu yerda tekstlarimiz sal ko'proq. Hop, ketdik. It took me a long time to learn where he came from. The little prince, who asked me so many questions, never seemed to hear the ones I asked him. It was from words dropped by chance that, little by little, everything was revealed to me. The first time he saw my airplane, for instance, I shall not draw my airplane. That would be much too complicated for me. He asked me, what is that object? That is not an object. It flies. It's an airplane. It's my airplane. And I was proud to have him learn that I could fly. He cried out then, what? You dropped down from the sky? Yes, I answered modestly. Oh, that's funny. And the little prince broke into a lovely peal of laughter, which irritated me very much. I like my misfortunes to be taken seriously. Then he added, so you too come from the sky. Which's your planet? At that moment, I caught a gleam of light in the impenetrable mystery of his presence, and I demanded abruptly, do you come from another planet? But he didn't reply. He tossed his head gently, without taking his eyes from my plane. It is true that on that you can't have come from very far away. and he sank into a reverie which lasted a long time. Then, taking my ship out of his pocket, he buried himself in the contemplation of his treasure. You can imagine how my curiosity was aroused by this half confidence about the other planets. I made a great effort, therefore, to find out more on this subject. My little man, where do you come from? What is this where I live, of which you speak? Where do you want to take your ship? After a reflective silence, he answered. O'qib oldik, endi birgalikda tarjima qilamiz. Hop, endi ketdik. It took me a long time. Ya'ni it took degani vaqt oldi demoqchi. Ya'ni vaqt ketdi, long time. Uzoq vaqt ketdi menga, ya'ni meni ko'p vaqtimni oldi to learn o'rganish where qayerdan he came from. U qayerdan kelganini o'rganish meni ko'p vaqtimni oldi. The little prince, kichkina shahzoda, who kimki asked me so many questions. Mendan ask so'ramoq, so many degani juda ko'p savollar so'ragan kichkina shahzoda never hech qachon seem tuyulish degani tuyulmadi, ya'ni hech qachon tuyulmadi to hear, ya'ni eshitmagandek tuyuldi demoqchi. Ya'ni bu never seemed to hear degani shu tarjima qilamiz, ya'ni eshitmagandek tuyuldi. The once, ya'ni once bu yoqda savollarni nazarda tutyapti. Savollarni I asked him, men undan so'ragan, ya'ni undan so'ragan savollarimni u hech qachon eshitmagandek tuyuldi. It was from words, so'zlaridan dropped by chance. Dropped by chance degani tasodifan tushib qolish. Ya'ni biz tilda og'zidan chiqib ketish. Dropped by chance, ya'ni uni og'zidan tasodifan tushib qolgan so'zlardan little by little, asta va asta, ya'ni sekin asta, everything, hamma narsa was revealed. Reveal degani fosh bo'lish. Revealed to me. Hamma narsa sekin asta menga fosh bo'ldi demoqchi. The first time, birinchi marta, he saw my airplane. Birinchi marta u meni ko'rdi, ya'ni seen o'tkazma shakli. U meni samolyotimni ko'rganda, for instance, misol uchun, I shall not draw my airplane. Men samolyotimni rasmini chizmayman. Bu yerda shall will, ya'ni qilmayman demoqchi. That would be much too complicated. Bo'lardi, ya'ni bo'lgan bo'lardi. That would be degani bo'lgan bo'lardi. Much, anchagina, too, juda, complicated degani murakkab degani. For me, men uchun bu ancha murakkab bo'lgan bo'lardi. Ya'ni samolyot rasmini chizish men uchun murakkab bo'lgan bo'lardi. He asked me, u mendan so'radi. Ya'ni birinchi marta samolyotni ko'rganida kichkina shahzoda undan so'rabdi. What is that object? Men bu object, ya'ni narsa nima? Bu narsa nima? That is not an object. Bu narsa emas. It flies, u uchadi. It's an airplane. Bu samolyot. It's my airplane. Bu mening samolyotim. And I was proud to have him learn that. I was proud. Proud degani be proud of. Proud, mamnun bo'lish, ya'ni g'ururlanish. Men juda ham mamnun bo'ldim to have him learn, ya'ni uni o'rganganidan, o'rganish, bilganidan, that I could fly. Yani, u meni ucha olganimni bilganidan juda ham mamnun bo'lgan edim. He cried out then. Cry out degani baqirib yuborish, qichqirib yuborish degani. Ya'ni u keyin baqirib yubordi. What? Nima? You dropped down from the sky. Drop degani, drop down degani tushish, yani tepadan pastga tushish. Drop degani o'zi tashlamoq degani. Drop down from the sky. Sen osmondan yiqilib tushdingmi? Yani osmondan tushdingmi? Yes, I answered modestly. Kamtarlik bilan, ya'ni asta javob berdim. Oh, that's funny. Oh, bu kulgili. And the little prince, va kichkina shahzoda, break into a lovely peal of laughter. Bu yoqda endi break into degani, ya'ni kirish ma'nosiga kelyapti. Ya'ni boshladi. Break into, bu endi umumiy tarjima qilsak chiroyliroq chiqadi. Break into a lovely peal of laughter degani ajoyib peal of laughter, ya'ni jarangdor kulguga kulib yubordi, ya'ni broke into a lovely peal of laughter, ya'ni u jarangdor ovozda, ya'ni jiringlagan ovozda deylik, kulib yubordi, ya'ni qattiq kulib yubordi, xoxolab, xullas kulib yubordi. Which qaysiki irritate degani g'ashiga tegish degani, asabiga tegish. Qaysiki irritate me, ya'ni meni asabimga tekkan, berman. Qaysiki meni juda asabimga tekkan. Ya'ni bola uni ustidan xoxolab kulib yuboribdi. Qaysiki o'sha yozuvchimiz juda ham asabiga tekkan. I like my misfortunes. Misfortune degani baxtsizlik, omadsizlik, kulfat yoki. Men yaxshi ko'raman, meni omadsizligim to be taken, olinishini seriously. Meni omadsizliklarim jiddiy qabul qilinishini yaxshi ko'raman. Then he added. Va u qo'shdi. Qo'shimcha qildi. So, shunda you too, sen ham come from the sky. Osmondan kelganmisan. Which is your planet? Qaysi seni sayyorang? At that moment, o'sha paytda I caught a gleam of light in the impenetrable mystery of his presence. Endi bu ozgina murakkabroq gap, asli oson. At that moment, o'sha paytda I caught a gleam of light. Catch a gleam of light degani, ya'ni qorong'ulikda odam nimadir shu'la yorug'likni ko'rib qolsa, ya'ni xuddi nima deydi, yorug'lik topgandek bo'ldim deyapti. Ya'ni ushlaganday yorug'likni catch deyapti. Ushlaganday bo'ldim. In the impenetrable degani o'tib bo'lmaydigan degani. Ya'ni oshib o'tib bo'lmaydigan, o'tib bo'lmaydigan degani. O'tib bo'lmaydigan mystery sirda, ya'ni men yechim topganda, ya'ni shu'la yoki light, ya'ni yorug'lik, gleam, o'sha shu'la. Yorug'lik shu'lasini topganday bo'ldim of his presence, ya'ni uni mavjudligi haqida nimadir narsani bilib olganday bo'ldim degan ma'no kelib chiqyapti bu yerda. Ya'ni bu uni mavjudligi haqidagi sirdan kichik bir shu'lani ushlab oldim deyapti. And va I demanded, talab qildim, talab qilish, abruptly, to'satdan talab qildim, ya'ni birdaniga talab qildim. Do you come from another planet? Boshqa sayyoradan kelganmisan? Come from, kelish, qayerdandir kelish. Do you come from? But he didn't reply. Lekin reply javob qaytarish. U javob qaytarmadi. Didn't reply. He tossed his head gently. Toss head degan so'z bor, ya'ni boshni burish degani. Boshni gently degani. Sekinlik bilan, muloyimlik bilan u boshini burdi. Without siz taking nimadir qilish. His eyes from my plane. Take his eyes, ya'ni ko'zini olmasdan, nimadan? From my plane, samolyotdan ko'zini olmasdan, without bo'lgani uchun. Ya'ni samolyotimdan ko'zini olmagan holda boshini burdi. It is true that, bu to'g'ri, on that, bunda, you can't have come. Can't have come, ya'ni kelgan bo'lishi mumkin emas. From, dan, very far away, uzoq. Uzoqdan, bu samolyot bilan uzoqdan kelgan bo'lishi mumkin emas. Ya'ni samolyotni ustidan kelyapti. Ya'ni bunaqa samolyot uzoq uchib bo'lmaydi demoqchi. And he sank into reverie. Reverie degani nima deydi? O'y, ya'ni o'ylashga, ya'ni sank, ya'ni sink so'zidan olingan, cho'kish degani. Ya'ni u o'y xayolga cho'kdi, which lasted, qaysiki last yo'lda davom etgan a long time. Qaysiki uzoq vaqt davom etgan o'yga cho'mdi. Then keyin taking my ship out of his pocket. Cho'ntagidan, ya'ni meni qo'yimni olib, ya'ni chizib bergan qo'yini, qarobdan rasmni olib, he buried himself, bury degan ko'mish. O'zini ko'mdi in the contemplation, o'y xayol degan, ya'ni o'ylash, fikrlash of his treasure. Ya'ni treasure deb turib, endi mana bu qo'y haqida gap ketyapti. Ya'ni o'sha o'zini xazinasi, treasure xazina degan o'zasi. O'zini xazinasi haqida o'zini chuqur o'yga ko'mdi. You can imagine, siz tasavvur qila olasiz, how, qanday, my curiosity. Curiosity degani qiziquvchanlik. Meni qiziquvchanligim aroused degani o'sganini, by this, bu orqali, half confidence degan so'z bor. Aslida eskiroq so'z hisoblanadi, lekin kitoblarda ko'p uchraydi. Half confidence degani tugallanmagan, ya'ni chala chulpa degani. Chala chulpa about the other planets, ya'ni boshqa sayyoralar haqidagi so'zlar, ya'ni meni qiziqishimni qanchalik aroused, ya'ni o'stirganini, kuchaytirganini you can imagine, tasavvur qilishingiz mumkin. I made a great effort. Make effort degan so'z bor, harakat qilish degani. Make great effort, qattiq harakat qilish. I made a great effort, qattiq harakat qildim, therefore, shuning uchun, to find out degani, know, bilishga qattiq harakat qildim, shuning uchun, more, ko'proq, on this subject mavzu, ya'ni bu mavzuda ko'proq bilishga, shuning uchun ko'p harakat qildim. My little man deb, ya'ni kichkina do'st, ya'ni biz tilda bolakay ma'nosida ishlatsak bo'ladi. My little man, bolakay. Where do you come from? Qayerdan kelgansan? What is this where I live? Nima bu where I live? Qayerdaki men yashaydigan joyda. Ya'ni bu so'z nima degani? Of which you speak, qaysiki sen gapiradigan. Where do you want to take your ship? Where do you want to take? Qayerga olib borishni xohlaysan? Your ship, qo'yingni, ya'ni o'sha qo'zichog'ingni qayerga olib borishni xohlaysan? After a reflective silence, ya'ni reflective degani bu yoqda nima deb tarjima qilsa bo'ladi? Reflective silence. Ya'ni bunga javoban, ya'ni chuqur deylik, chuqur o'ychan jimlik bilan, ya'ni jimlikdan keyin answer, u javob berdi. Reflective o'ychan deb tarjima qilsa bo'ladi. O'ychan, uzoq o'ylangan sukunatdan keyin answer, u javob berdi. Hop, next page, keyingiga davom ettiramiz. Birinchi o'qib olamiz buni ham, keyin so'zma-so'z tarjima qilamiz. The thing that is so good about the box you have given me is that at night he can use it as his house. And that is so, and if you're good, I will give you a string too, so that you can tie him during the day and post to tie him too. But the little prince seemed shocked by this offer. Tie him? What a queer idea. But if you don't tie him, I said, he will wander off somewhere and get lost. My friend broke into another peal of laughter. But where do you think he would go? Anywhere, straight ahead of him. Then the little prince said earnestly, that doesn't matter. Where I live, everything is so small. And with perhaps a hint of sadness, he added, straight ahead of him, nobody can go very far. O'qib oldik, endi so'zma-so'z birgalikda tarjima qilamiz. Ketdik. The thing, narsa, that is so good, qaysiki, so degan juda yaxshi, about the box, ya'ni quti haqida, ya'ni qutida juda ham yaxshi bo'lgan narsa shuki, quti haqida juda ham yaxshi bo'lgan narsa shuki, you have given me, ya'ni qaysi quti, you have given, ya'ni sen menga bergan, is that shuki, at night, tunda, he can use foydalanmoq, he can use, u foydalana oladi, as kabi, ya'ni nimadir qilib, as his house, ya'ni uyi qilib, ya'ni uyidek foydalana oladi, ya'ni uyi sifatida deylik, uyi sifatida foydalana oladi, ya'ni aytyapti, the thing, narsa, ya'ni sen bergan quti haqidagi yaxshi, zo'r narsa, juda ham yaxshi narsa shuki, tunda he can use, u foydalana oladi undan uyi sifatida. That is so, agar shunday bo'lsa, that is so, shunday bo'lsa, and if you're good, if agar you're good, agar sen yaxshi bo'lsang, I will give bermoq, men beraman, you senga, a string degan arqon, men senga arqon beraman, to ham, ya'ni men senga arqon ham beraman, so that, shuning uchunki, you can tie degan bog'lamoq, sen bog'lay olasan uni during the day, during davomida, kun davomida uni bog'lay olasan, and post degan bu yoq qoziq ma'nosida keladi, qoziq beraman, to tie him to, uni bog'lab qo'yishga, uni bog'lab qo'yishing uchun qoziq ham beraman agar yaxshi bo'lsang. But lekin the little prince, kichkina shahzoda, seemed tuyuldi, shocked, ya'ni shokka tushgan, ya'ni hayron qolgandek tuyuldi, by this offer taklif, ya'ni bu taklifdan kichkina shahzoda hayratga tushgandek bo'ldi. Tie him, uni bog'lash, what a queer idea. Queer degani g'alati degan. Qanday g'alati fikr. But lekin if you don't tie him, agar don't tie, bog'lamasang uni, I said, men dedim, he will wander off degani ketib qolish, ajralib chiqish yoki ketib qolish, wander off, u ketib qoladi, somewhere, qayergadir, degani qayergadir, and get lost, yo'qolib qoladi. My friends broke into another peal of laughter. Meni do'stim, ya'ni kichkina shahzoda, break into degani nimadirni birdaniga boshlash, ya'ni break into tears, ya'ni ko'z yoshlarini yig'lab yuborish, endi bu yoqda laughter deyapti, ya'ni kulib yubordi. Peal of laughter degani jaranglab, ya'ni xoxolab kulib yubordi. Ya'ni to'satdan bo'lgani uchun break into bilan birga kelyapti. But lekin where do you think, qayerga, do you think, o'ylaysan, he would go, uni ketadi, ya'ni u ketadi deb o'ylaysan, uni qayerga ketadi deb o'ylaysan. Anywhere, any degan har qanday, anywhere, har qanday joyga, straight ahead of him, ya'ni straight ahead degan to'g'riga, of him, ya'ni uni to'g'risiga, o'sha qo'y haqida gap ketyapti, qo'y to'g'riga ketib qolishi mumkin. Then, keyin, the little prince said, va kichkina shahzoda dedi, earnestly degani jiddiy ohangda, jiddiylik bilan degani. That doesn't matter degani, matter, muhim emas degani. Bu muhim emas, where I live, qayerdaki, I live, men yashaydigan joyda, everything, hamma narsa, is so small, juda ham kichkina, and va, with perhaps a hint of sadness, balki hint of sadness, ya'ni hint degani biroz, ya'ni a bit degani biroz sad, sadness, xafalik, biroz xafalik bilan he had, u qo'shdi, straight ahead of him, uni to'g'risiga, nobody can go very far, nobody, hech kim bora olmaydi, very far, unchalik uzoqqa. Page number 11. Hop, 11 betga o'tamiz. 11 bet. Yana bir marta birga o'qib olamiz va so'zma-so'z tarjima qilamiz. I had thus learned a second fact of great importance. This was that the planet the little prince came from was scarcely any larger than a house, but that didn't really surprise me much. I knew very well that in addition to the great planets such as the Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Venus, to which we have given names, there are also hundreds of others, some of which are so small that one has a hard time seeing them through the telescope. When an astronomer discovers one of these, he doesn't give it a name, but only a number. He might call it, for example, asteroid 325. I have serious reason to believe that the planet from which the little prince came is the asteroid known as B612. This asteroid has only once been seen through the telescope. That was by a Turkish astronomer in 1909. On making his discovery, the astronomer had presented it to the International Astronomical Congress in a great demonstration, but he was in Turkish costume, and so nobody would believe that what he said. Grown-ups are like that. Fortunately, however, for the reputation of asteroid B612, a Turkish dictator made a law that his subjects, under pain of death, should change to European costume. So in 1920, the astronomer gave his demonstration all over again, dressed with impressive style and elegance. And this time everybody accepted his report. If I have told you these details about the asteroid and made a note of its number for you, it's on account of the grown-ups and their ways. When you tell them that you have made a new friend, they never ask you any questions about essential matters. They never say to you, what does his voice sound like? What games does he love best? Does he collect butterflies? Instead, they demand, how old is he? How many brothers has he? How much does he weigh? How much money does his father make? Only from these figures do they think they have learned anything about him. Hop, o'qib oldik. Endi birgalikda so'zma-so'z tarjima qilamiz. Bo'lmasa ketdik. I had, ya'ni shunday qilib, thus degani shunday qilib, I had learned, o'rganib oldim, a second fact, ikkinchi faktni of great importance, ya'ni great importance, ulkan muhimligi bo'lgan faktni o'rganib oldim. This bu was edi, the planet, sayyora, the little prince come from, kelishi, qayerdandir kelishi, ya'ni kichkina shahzoda kelgan, was edi, scarcely degani kichraytirish uchun ishlatiladi, darajada, ya'ni anchagina kichkina demoqchi, ya'ni anchagina, any larger, ya'ni unchalik deb tarjima qilsak to'g'ri bo'ladi. Unchalik katta bo'lmagan, than a house, uydan unchalik katta bo'lmagan edi, ya'ni kichkina shahzoda kelgan sayyora uydan unchalik katta emas edi. But lekin that did not really surprise me. Surprise degani hayron qoldirish. Lekin bu did not, ya'ni qilmadi, really, chindan, surprise, hayron qoldirmadi meni, much, ko'p, ya'ni bu meni ko'p hayron qoldirmadi. I knew, men bilganman, ya'ni bilardim, very well, juda yaxshi, that shuniki, in addition to, ya'ni ga qo'shimcha tarzda degani, ya'ni the great planets, ya'ni ulkan ma'nosiga keladi. Ulkan sayyoralarga qo'shimcha tarzda, such as the Earth, ya'ni such as degani kabi degani, Yer, Jupiter, Mars va Venera kabi, to which qaysiki we have given names. We have given, biz bergan, names, ismlar, ya'ni biz nomlar, ismlar bergan sayyoralarga qo'shimcha tarzda, there are bor, also shuningdek, hundreds, yuzlab of others, yuzlab boshqalari bor. Some of which are, ba'zilari, some of which degani ba'zilari, qaysiki, so small, judayam kichkina, that shundayki, one bu yoqda shaxs ma'nosiga keladi, ya'ni bir kishi, odam, has a hard time, ya'ni have hard time doing something degan ibora bor. Bu degani nimadir qilishga qiynalish degani. Ya'ni bitta odam qiynaladi seeing them, ularni ko'rishga, through orqali the telescope, ya'ni teleskop orqali, teleskopda ularni ko'rishga qiynaladigan darajada kichkina sayyoralar ham bor. When qachonki an astronomer, ya'ni astronom, ya'ni osmonlarni kuzatuvchi olim discovers, kashf qilsa, discover kashf qilmoq degani, kashf qilsa one of these degani ulardan biri, ya'ni ulardan birini kashf qilsa, he doesn't give it a name. U bermoq, give bermaydi, doesn't give a name, ism bermaydi, but only a number, faqatgina raqam beradi. He might call, might mumkin degani, ya'ni u mumkin, call degani bu yoqda qo'ng'iroq qilmoq emas, nomlamoq, ya'ni uni nomlaydi, nomlashi mumkin. For example, misol uchun asteroid 325, asteroid 325 deb nomlash mumkin. I have serious reason, menda bor, serious, jiddiy, reason, sabab degani, reason, yani menda jiddiy sabab bor, to believe, ishonmoq, ishonishga, that, shungaki, the planet, sayyora, from, dan, which the little prince came, qaysiki, little prince, kichkina shahzoda, came, ya'ni kelmoq, kelgan, is the asteroid known, ya'ni asteroid, known degani bilingan degani, bilingan, tanilgan, as B612, ya'ni kichkina shahzoda kelgan sayyora B612 deb nomlangan sayyora deb bilinadi demoqchi. This asteroid, bu asteroid, has only once been seen. Faqatgina, once degani bir marta, only ya'ni faqatgina once, bir marta, been seen degani ko'rilgan, through the telescope, teleskop orqali. That was, bu edi, by a Turkish astronomer, Turkish ya'ni turkiyalik astronom, in 1909. Sonli kelayotganda ingliz tilida 2 ga bo'lib aytsak bo'ladi, ya'ni 1909 desak bo'ladi, ya'ni 1909. That's it. Ya'ni bu o'sha sayyora, ya'ni asteroid 1909-yilda turkiyalik astronom tomonidan ko'rilgan ekan, teleskopda. Rasman ham chizib qo'yilibdi. On making his discovery, ya'ni on doing, ya'ni ondan keyin verb ing kelsa bilanoq deb tarjima qilinadi, nimadir qilish bilanoq. On making his discovery, discovery degani kashfiyot, ya'ni u kashfiyotini, his discovery, ya'ni uni kashfiyotini qilishi bilanoq, the astronomer, ya'ni astronom, had presented, present degani namoyish qilish, namoyish qildi it uni to the international xalqaro astronomical, ya'ni astronomlar kongressida, in a great demonstration, in a great demonstration degani katta tantana bilan. But he was in Turkish costume, lekin u edi Turkish costume, costume degani o'sha kiyim, ya'ni u Turkiya kiyimida edi, ya'ni Turkiyani milliy kiyimida edi, and so, va shuning uchun nobody, hech kim, would believe, ishonmadi, what he said, u nima deb aytganiga ishonmas edi, u nima deb aytganiga hech kim ishonmas edi. Grown ups are like that, kattalar xuddi shunday, grown ups kattalar degani, like that degani shunaqa degani. Fortunately, yaxshiyamki, however, lekin, unfortunately, baxtiga degan ma'noda ishlatiladi, ya'ni yaxshiyamki, lekin, for the reputation of, ya'ni reputation, obro' e'tibor degan. Obro' e'tibori uchun, ya'ni asteroid B612 ni obro' e'tibori uchun, a Turkish dictator, turkiyalik diktator degani, ya'ni hukmdor, ya'ni qonun, boshqa narsalar hammasini o'zi xohlagancha davlat boshqara oladigan hukmdor. Made a law, ya'ni make a law degan so'z bor, ibora. Qonun chiqarish degan, ya'ni qonun chiqardi, that, shundayki, is subject, ya'ni subject bu yoqda fan emas, fuqaro ma'nosida kelyapti. Uni fuqarolari, mana shu hukmdorning fuqarolari, under pain of death. Bu degani under pain of death bu ham ibora hisoblanadi. O'lim jazosi ostida degani. O'lim jazosi ostida nimadir qildi demoqchida. Should change o'zgarmoq, should kerak, o'zgarish kerak to European costume. Yevropa kostyumiga, ya'ni Yevropa kiyimiga o'zgartirish kerakligi bo'yicha o'z fuqarolariga o'lim jazosi ostida qonun chiqardi. Ya'ni agar kiyimni o'zgartirmasa, o'lim jazosini joriy qilish haqida qonun chiqardi. So, shuning uchun in 1920-1920-yilda the astronomer, ya'ni astronom, gave his demonstration. Berdi his demonstration. Demonstration degani o'sha ya'ni o'sha prezentatsiyasini, namoyishini berdi. All over again degani yana boshidan, yana qaytadan degani. Dress ko'ylak degan ma'nosi bor. Endi bu yoqda ish harakat verb bo'lib kelyapti. Dressed, kiyingan, with impressive hayron qoldiruvchi, style stil va elegance va nafislik. Nafis va hayron qoldiruvchi kiyim bilan kiyingan holda, ya'ni o'sha prezentatsiyasini boshidan berdi. And this time va bu safar everybody hamma accepted qabul qildi his report. Uni hisobotini, report hisobot degani, uni hisobotini hamma qabul qildi. Keyingisi, if I have told you, agar men sizga, ya'ni I have told you, sizga aytgan bo'lsam, told ya'ni aytmoq, agar sizga aytgan bo'lsam, these bu detallarni about haqida, the asteroid, ya'ni asteroid haqida bu detallarni sizga aytgan bo'lsam, and va made a note of its number for you. Make a note degani aytib o'tish degani, ya'ni aytib o'tgan bo'lsam, it's uning number, uni raqamini for you, siz uchun. It's on account of, ya'ni on account of degani sababli degani. Nimadir sababli, ya'ni bu sababli ekan, nima sababli? The grown ups, ya'ni kattalar sababli ekan va and their ways, ularni odatlari, ya'ni their ways degani ularni usuli, ularni odatlari sababli demoqchi. Ya'ni shu asteroidlarning raqamlarini va u haqida detallarni berganimga sabab kattalar va ularning odatlari sababli demoqchi. When you tell them, qachonki siz ularga aytmoq, aytsangiz, that shuniki, you have made a new friend. Make a friend degani ibora bor. Do'st orttirish, do'stlashish. Yani when you have made a new friend, agar siz yangi do'st orttirganingizni ularga tell them aytsangiz, they never ask you. Ular hech qachon so'rashmaydi you sizdan any questions, hech qanday savollar about haqida, essential matters. Essential matters degani muhim ma'lumotlar. Muhim ma'lumotlarni so'rashmaydi. They never say to you. Ular hech qachon aytishmaydi to you, sizga. What does his voice sound like? Voice, ovoz degani. Sound like, ya'ni o'xshamoq, bu yoqda like yoqtirmoq emas, o'xshamoq ma'nosida keladi. Ya'ni uni ovozi qanday, ya'ni uni ovozi nimaga o'xshaydi degan ma'noda keladi. What games does he love best? Qanday o'yinlar, nima o'yinlar yoki he love best? Eng yaxshi ko'radigan o'yinlari uniki nima? Does he collect to'plamoq? U to'playdimi? Butterflies, kapalaklar to'playdimi? Instead, o'rniga they demand talab qilmoq. Ular talab qilishadi. How old is he? How old degani o'sha how old is he? U necha yosh? How many nechta brothers, akalar has he? Ya'ni unda nechta akasi bor? How much, qancha? Does he weigh degani og'irlikka ega bo'lmoq, visi bo'lish degani. Ya'ni uni og'irligi qancha? How much money? Qancha pul? Pul. How much money? Qancha pul does his father make? Uning otasi, his father make money degani pul topish. Uning otasi qancha pul topadi? Only from these, faqatgina from these figure degani bu yoqda raqam ma'nosida keladi. Faqatgina from dan, shu raqamlardan, do they think, ular o'ylashadi, they have learned, ular o'rganishdi, anything, nimadirni, about him, u haqida nimadirni o'rgandim deb o'ylashadi. Ya'ni shu savollar ular haqida faqat raqamlarni bilish orqali ular nimadirni u haqida o'rgandik deb o'ylashadi demoqchi. Hop, bu videomizning oxirgi qismi. Hop, keyingi video albatta davom etadi. Bu kitobni iloji boricha tezroq tugatishga harakat qilamiz. Bu videomiz so'zlari ko'p bo'lganligi hisobiga ozgina minutlar uzoqroq bo'ldi. Umid qilamanki foydali bo'ladi. Hop, va bu videoda ishlatilgan so'zlar va yangi so'zli iboralarni to'liq misollari bilan, o'zbekcha tarjimalar bilan olish uchun pastda izohlarda hop Telegram kanal qoldirib, o'sha joydan bemalol fayl shaklida yuklab olishingiz mumkin. Video foydali bo'lgan bo'lsa, yoqqan bo'lsa, like va kommentariy yozishingizni chiqarmang. Ko'rishguncha